Oh, what you guys been up to? There you go. Right then.
Why it got
It's broken.
broken?
Yeah, there's a piece that's inside that's gone.
So we need to change this one.
Yeah, let me give her a call and let her know. So let me just phone her up.
You're gonna change it?
I'm going to give her a call.
A few moments later.
Right. I'm back. Oh, what you guys been up to?
You need any help?
No, it's all good. Is that? Oh yes, the part that broke inside the lock.
This is a broken part.
Yeah, that's a broken part. I wonder what they're up to. Are they still there? Oh, he's arrested someone.
Even dry run.
Oh. There's a quiet arrest.
It's the front side. అక్కడ కార్ డ్రైవ్ చేసి కూడా వచ్చినారా?
Bye. Okay. That's it. It's done.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
No worries. Yeah, that's the broken bit. That's the piece that caused all the problems.
Yeah.
So, he's come back again.
No, he took a person in the car.
Yeah, and now he's turned around.
That is your car, right?
The little red one. No, the red I'm in the car.
I think this car, he drove that.
Ah, right.
Because usually we don't see this car.
Okay. Yeah, normally I have a van, but my van's broken down.
Yeah.
So I've got this thing. So, right.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, do you want to give it a try before I go?
Yeah, that's
You try it. Yeah, make sure you can work it. That's it, just pull the handle there, that's it. Yep.
Yeah, I think this is a bit loose.
Oh, did I not tighten it back up again? Yeah, I made it, yeah.
I can see a guy here.
Oh yeah, handle, yeah. I forgot to tighten it up. Well spotted. There you go. Give that a try now. Sorry. Yeah. Good. Cheers then. All right then. See you later then.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. No worries. All the best. Take care. Another job down. Always the top floor. Always the top floor. On to the next.